Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I thought we would look at souvenirs for packing light. As any of you know, I love packing light and it is my mission to be able to successfully do any trip overseas with only my carry-on and another piece of hand luggage. Just as a disclaimer, I do book my carry-on through, so weight is not an issue. The size of the content is. So today, let's look at souvenirs we can bring home that help satisfy our need to collect things, but do not take us over our size. When we travel, there are so many things that catch our eye that we think, oh, that would look so good in our house. This would be great, that would be good. Now, we've done it. We have a cuckoo clock sitting on our wall that we bought in Germany, and we ended up having to ship it all home because we bought so much. We've done that mistake before. We've bought all our kids' jumpers and come home and had a rather large postage bill. So what can we do to come home with our carry-on and bring everything with us? Today I want to look at 5 different options of things that we do to come home with souvenirs and even gifts for our kids. Item number 1 is fairly obvious. I'm talking clothing. Yes, we buy the occasional destination t-shirt. Another thing that we've started doing is buying articles of clothing. Last year, I bought this little pantsuit in Oxford as a memento of my trip, but also a bit of practical clothing that I can wear every day. So when I pull it out of my wardrobe, I'm thinking about walking in Oxford, shopping with my daughter, romantic dinner in Hallstatt, the first day that we explored Vienna. And then on cruise ships, Royal Caribbean, you can get shirts for $10 US and they're just a small memento of the trip. We've got a few of those now from our cruises and they're a great way to remember. Number 2, goes along with clothes, but getting a little bit smaller and a little bit practical. It's hats and scarves. Now Phil loves his baseball caps. He wears them all the time and we find that we're getting quite an international collection. A lot of them are very similar style to this in different colours, but they're great for him. We can have one in the car, he's got a couple in the shed, a couple in his workshop, and a couple lying around the house. So whenever he goes out, he can put a hat on his head and be protected and know that he'll be comfortable. Caps are not the only sort of hats that you can buy. In Germany, Phil picked up one of these hats, which looks really good on him, and so in winter helps keep his head warm when we're out and about, especially in the cold mountains air. And in Paris, I picked myself up this little hat a few years ago. Now I don't wear it very often, but it is one hat that does feel special, and when I put it on my head, I think about my first macaroon on the Champs-Élysées. Scarves are something I love. I buy them everywhere and I wear them at home all the time. We've also bought the occasional beanie. Question for you. Do you buy souvenirs when you travel? Let us know in the comments below what your favourite go-to souvenir is. Item number 3. For me, I'm a big Christmas fan. Anyone who knows me knows that I love Christmas. Is to pick up decorations. So this one, I'm pretty sure, actually I think this one came from Rothenburg, but we've picked up quite a few of these carved laser wood ones throughout Germany and Austria that are just small mementos of our time there. Vienna, Oxford, all of these just fit nicely in your bag. It's a glass bauble from the Cinque Terre. Got to match the Queen and have a Buckingham Palace crown. What trip to Disney would not be complete? And every time we pull them out and we put them on the tree, again, it's a moment to reminisce about those places. Number 4, we've got magnet. These are great. This one's from Rome and you can get them anywhere and they're usually 5 or 6 euros. Cruise ships have them as well. So we've got one from each of the vessels that we've been on. Other different types that you can get. We've got lots of different shapes. And again, going to the fridge is a bit like going on a mini journey around places that we've been. And lastly, absolute favourite is jewellery. So these earrings were actually a birthday present from one of my sons. They gave me money and we bought those at Neuschwanstein Castle. These ones from Barcelona. These were from a stall in Bratislava. And then these ones are definitely Venetian glass, bought in Venice. And then the other thing that you could include are little hat pins. So this is actually my daughter Grace's. She brought this one home as a memento from living in Oxford. You know, maybe for the guys out there, if they've got a hat that they have hat pins put on, that would be a great way way to build that up. This is just a small sample of possible small souvenirs that you can bring home and feel satisfied when packing light. My name's Karen, this is Sapphire Blue Travel and Mindset. If you found value in today's video, why not hit the like and subscribe button, hit the little bell so you'll be notified of our upcoming videos. As always, thanks for joining us, travel brilliantly, bye! If you liked what you saw today and you want to see more, why not click the playlist above or the video just for you. Until next time, bye!